storm coming in from the east. Got some lightning off in the distance, and it looks like rain is coming in this way. And then you can see some dust clouds, some dust being kicked up from the wind. Kind of feel it in my eyes too. A little dusty out there. But this will be my first big storm here if it comes this way. The sky looks pretty good. The clouds and the orange and purples. Pretty neat. Ooh, that was a neat one. You know, in California we just don't get storms like this, so this is really rare for me. I think I was going to go and grab myself something to eat somewhere.